We're in Halifax and we're currently on a scheme with one of our valued clients who have been tasked with installing a new sewer main, and we're currently doing the temporary overpumping while that works is going on. The three main challenges were we could pump no more than 416 litres a second unscreened sewage. The second challenge was we had to draw that 416 litres a second through a 700mm manhole, and the third challenge was we would be pumping downhill. Controlling the rate of flow is done through ultrasonics, which is, it's all electronic. We have what's called a transducer, a little pod that hangs above the chamber, sends an electronic signal, that reads the water level, and as the water rises, that transfers the information to the brain of the pump control and then ramps the pumps up accordingly to lockout. The challenge of going through the 700mm manhole works for us because we have a specialist system that we can use submersible pumps that aren't used in a submerged situation. We lay them on the surface. We can put a suction tube through into the channel, just like an ordinary end suction pump as we call it, and then the submersible pumps self-prime, and they can then deliver the flow up to the 416, which is quite a high flow, drawing that through a 700mm access. The challenge of pumping downhill, we get a velocity of water, difficult to contain the flow, so we put air brake valves, as we call them, in the line to draw air in to stop suction on the line, because you can get suction as the water's racing downhill. We also had to fit a flow meter so the client can monitor the flow for their client, because it's a consented flow, so we have to prove that we are delivering up to the 416. The CAD system we employ now is very important, certainly on projects of this size and certainly on projects where space is of a premium. So for us to have a CAD drawing, or the guys to have a CAD drawing to work to, it's priceless, and it comes at a cost, but it's an absorbed cost in the time that it can save, and everybody gets visibility from the outset. The equipment we're employing at the moment, we've got three as I say, submersible pumps that are in what we call an NZ configuration, which are laid on the side. One on duty, one as an assist pump that takes us up to the 416, and one as a standby should that pump fail, or one of the pumps fail. We then have 12-inch pipe work for about 50 metres. Then we have 500mm pipe work that runs for 250 approximately metres to discharge. The pumps themselves are powered by a generator, a large generator, and that in turn has a standby generator should the duty generator fail. So we've got plenty of fail-safe in the system employed. We're uniquely placed to deliver these schemes because we're always looking to reinvest and upgrade so that the fleet is modern, the equipment is in-house equipment, and if there's a need for more equipment, we will buy it. That's the beauty of Selwood. We're always looking to put more money into what we do.